What up, guys? Welcome back to Pit Cruise. Today I'll be showing you how to reinstall a spark plug, and we gapped it with seven. Was it 7 and 8?
So on our Suzuki King Quad, the specs call for the gap to be between 0.7 and 0.8, so we pre-gapped our plug. What's the model number on that NGK spark plug we're using, Joe? It's on the box. It's a 6965, I believe. If you move your fingers right here.
Correct.
6965.
Ding, ding, ding.
I'm a winner. And then we're going to be using a 5/8 inch socket to remove and reinstall our spark plug on our Suzuki King. Very simple. We're going right from this side here. And spark plug boot is right here. We're going to be removing the plug, reinstalling it, and then we're going to use a little dielectric grease right on here. When we reinstall it, we will never start off with our socket wrench. We're going to do it by hand all the way into the last thread and then just snug it up with the wrench. Good luck. Have fun out there. So this is the plug that just came out of the King Quad. It's been in there for a minute. So definitely long overdue.